Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best roll-up piano that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, mUkIkIm Rock and Roll It. Ever been to a place without the mobile charger where your mobile battery is dead and don't know what to do? Been in that situation more than I can count. How about salvation? Not for mobile phones. For your piano exercises for an upcoming test or scenery or others. One of the very first initiatives for having a battery powered by USB cords included. You can now play anywhere at any time with absolutely no fears of being game off when the piano goes off. At number 4, iLearnMusic Roll-Up Piano. This is a fantastic product. I first saw it on the MoMA site, but when they were sold out I was thrilled to find it here. My husband loved it, well, the idea of it, but there is one dead key right in the middle. No sound. If it was at one end or the other it wouldn't be a deal breaker. I'm upset because I was really excited about this one. We'll try the support number and edit this if they make good. At number 3, Kyker Tech Roll-Up Piano Keyboard with Built. The pressure required to press the keys sometimes results in a single response and sometimes in multiple sounds. Still, this keyboard could certainly be a good learning tool for someone who is wanting to learn the basic keys and play simple tunes. I did feel the sustain pedal was flimsy and wondered how long it would last. I returned this item, but not because I felt it was defective or bad, but because it wasn't what I needed. At number 2, JAEZZIY Roll-Up Piano. Ever tried karaoke? I did. What an awesome and fun experience. You are now the singer and owner for the played song. You owe it. Imagine karaoke as one of the main features of a piano. JAEZZIY Roll-Up Piano. Mesmerizing elemental addition to one of those unique editions of the roll-up pianos. But what are the other significant features of this roll-up piano edition? Many highly operative inlets. You can insert a USB MIDI output as well as use one of these inlets in connecting to the computer for editing music. At number 1, Hurricane Roll-Up Piano Keyboard. This sounds way better than I expected. This is perfect for homes that don't have a lot of space. The kids can easily roll this up themselves. My kids have been playing with this a lot. The battery lasts a long time. We have only charged this once so far. The keyboard is great for traveling. It's fun to have something that is so portable. But it takes some getting used to. Keys don't feel like an actual piano. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.